Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna make another one of my favorites, and I'm gonna have tortilla chips and queso my way. Okay, what I have here is my ground beef, and I'm going to season my ground beef. I'm going to add garlic and herbs. Flip it over. Garlic and herbs. Saison perfecta. A little garlic salt. And also lemon pepper. Okay, that is the seasoned beef. Okay, my pot is already hot. How is everybody doing? Hope everybody doing well on this Thursday. I'm doing pretty good myself. It is kind of cold, as you know. So this is our ground beef. $80-20 ground beef, and I'm going to let this cook down, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is what our meat is looking like so far. I'm going to let it continue to cook down until all the meat is brown. Okay, now our meat has browned, and we're going to get ready to drain it. Okay, now I'm getting ready to drain our beef. Like I say, I don't take all of the grease out of here when I drain my beef, because it's always good to leave a little bit in there. And then I'm going to add the chili. No, sorry. I'm going to add taco season to my beef. Add the taco season to that beef. I'm also going to add a little water. Add a little water to that. Okay. And this is our, I don't think you can see it, but that is our beef for our chips and queso. Okay. Now I'm going to let you see how I played it. This is going to be a very quick video. This is going to be a very, I'm going to clean up for a second, but it's going to be a very quick video because this meal doesn't take that long to prepare. Okay. We're at on time, okay? So we'll take a plate. Only need one. Take a plate. A clean plate. I have the chips right here. I have my chips right here. What you'll do is just put your chips on the plate. However much you want. It's just me, so I don't need much. Then you will take your beef. Sorry, I got to find a spoon here right quick. I'm trying to do so much this morning. I'm kind of behind. Take your beef. Put your beef on it like that. Beef. Then I have the queso. Okay, this is the final product of my chips and queso. Added pico and sour cream. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.